Communication is simply the act of transferring information from one place, person, or group to another. Thanks before first say something about me. My name is Mardi Gesilaban and you can call me Mardi. I'm from School of Business Management ITB, majoring in entrepreneurship since 2019. And for today, I would like to present my topic that I have prepared last night. The topic is the communication process. Have you ever felt about the communication process? Sometimes, as a human, we not realize now what we are doing is communication process itself. There's a receiver, the sender, the medium, and also the message. But never to forget about the feedback, right? Okay, first of all, we know as the sender of the speaker, there is an idea on their mind, and then they should transfer it being a words or visual character. The situation is about encoding. Okay, and then there's a message that will be accepted by the receiver, and directly there is a process from the receiver to understand the message, and we can call it decoding. Perfect. Okay, right? And finally, we can complete the feedback from receiver to sender again. It means to be able to respond message from the sender. We know that every single situation have an elements. So basically, the elements of communication process are the sender, the receiver, the message, the medium, and the feedback. We will talk about it more later. Okay? Next, what is the communication process definition? We have to know that the term communication process refers to the exchange of information. It means a message itself, right? And the important thing is between two or more people. How we can know this communication process will be success? How we can know? We know that if every participant, it means receiver and the sender, can exchange information and understand each other. The impact is when one of the participant didn't understand what the topic is talking about, there are a failed process of communication. Okay? Next, I think that I have explained this one before. So basically, the important things that we have to know about the communication process is the first one, the sender has an idea, which are analyze the idea that he know and generalize, and then the sender encodes message. The main things that we can do, such as just the right words. Just the right words. And then the third is sender selects channel, transmit message. The stage we have to know about noisy and distraction. How do we introduce the noise, the distraction itself. And then fourth is receiver decodes the message, such as expect to learn more. And then is the feedback. The last is the feedback. Return to sender. This is the last stage of communication process. And then what is the sender? The sender is a source of communicator. It has a sum of information, data, and idea that will bring for you all as a receiver. Example, right now, I'm standing here being a sender to share with you all about my topic, communication process, right? Okay, the next we will talk about the receiver. What is it? Okay, the receiver is the person that be able to receive the sender's information and then decode or interpret it. Wow, awesome. And all of you here is my receiver because you can hear me right now, right? And then the message. What is it? This is the content and the information that the sender wants to relay to the receiver. Example, I wanna explain to my mom, sorry mom, I'm going home late today because I have learned some exam with my friends. Thank you mom. This is a message, okay? And we have to know about the media. This is a channel that we use to communicate each other. Example by phone, email, or message. The last is feedback. When the message successfully transmitted from sender to receiver, so there is a feedback will be going. The receiver in turn responds the sender again. This we call it feedback. That's all that communication process that I have want to share with you all. Remember again, with the important things is the sender, the message, the receiver, the medium, and finally about feedback. Okay? Thank you for your attention. I think if there is some question, I will to help you all. If there are some misunderstanding with this topic, feel free to share with me, okay? That's all from me, Mardi Silaban. Thank you. I hope you enjoy.